Hello guys, no wait. We'll start with Mr. Fresh Asian starting. Hello guys, yes. Today we are going to do the random boss challenge. I mean the Peely Squad challenge. If you want to support your boy, subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell. How did you like it? If you like the fresh intro, make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe, and make sure you share the video with your friends. So today I'll tell it to you in the simple way. Today we are going to do the Peely Squad challenge. I'm with Kabir and his school friend Nikhil Daksh. Kabir also has a channel Bear and Raven. I'll keep the link in the description down below. Make sure you subscribe to his channel also. Wait, I'll with the ghost Peely then. Wait. Edit style ghost.
Okay.
So we all are wearing different styles of Peely. Which backpack? Banana backpack. Pickaxe?
Banana axe.
Banana axe and glider.
Banana bomber.
What is this? Banana bomber. Everything bananas. Wrap. Banana. It's the.
And then
What's the name for the banana wrap? Ripe. Yeah.
right.
So let's start.
Do this speed.
Let's try to grab the clutch in this video. But the worst thing for Peely is that you cannot like aim better because his big banana head comes in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, head or tail?
Heads. Haha, lol.
We will never find the result.
So let's see where to land. Let's see where we'll go. Lazy or salty?
1 minute.
Okay.
Shashank.
Yeah.
Okay. Just to see if I can hear you. Okay.
I need a weapon. I need to see if my aim works in this. No, bro, it does not work with Peely. Next time we'll never do the Peely challenge. Lazy or salty? PP. Who's going for PP?
Salty.
Lazy.
Hot drop.
Lazy is also hot drop.
Lazy then.
Lazy. Did he mark? Okay, the Daksh is coming. We have Sweaty player in the team and 2 auto fire T players in the team. Why did he jump? So let's go. Banana bomber. The banana squad. Does everybody have Bunker Jonesy?
Yeah.
Next time we'll do the Jonesy squad with some guy who has default. So he'll wear the Jonesy, we'll wear Bunker Jonesy. The first time taking this banana bomber one. I've never used this.
Same.
Literally Peely is like the worst kid if you like want to do rage emote with him.
Yeah, you can't even like.
His face and head is like so big.
When you're trying to hide or something, na,
It's very
face and
difficult.
head gives it away.
Or somebody like who's trying to snipe somebody. Okay, no loot.
Yeah.
Oh, got a loot. Oh, nice, yeah. So, you keep a short range weapon handy.
Anyone
the
has a player? Anyone see the player?
Nah, not yet. What was that? Minis! Okay, there's another.
I don't see anyone.
And a big pod.
There's a player close to me, I think.
Hey, somebody has the DJ on, I mean Marshmallow on.
Top one.
Or WS.
Oh my god, he's holding pistol. Let's go.
Nice. Yeah, I'm not getting kills. Oh, I do not have a make it. Or do I? There should be another chest as for my calculation. No, I opened it. That's the worst calculation. Where's the zone? No, there is one chest. Okay, a blue AR. I'll take that. Okay, where is it?
Zone is far away.
We'll go. Wait. Oh yeah, let's get moving. We don't want to die like bots in the storm. Somebody finds a medkit, give it to W2SDD. What do you need? What do you need?
I have one.
Yeah, give it to him. Kabir has it. Daksh. Over here, Kabir. Easy. Wait, Kabir, I have minis. For both of you.
That's mine. Wait.
Yeah, you take it, I have one. Just let's loot a little, then we'll go. Oh, there's a purple weapon over there. That's a bandage bazooka.
The player who player. Idiot, he doesn't have weapons.
Bro, if you kill him, shake him down.
Shaking.
Where's teammate? So he was doing the 4 corner or something challenge. Oh, this is season 7 skin. Nice guy. Nice to meet you. Let's go. Oh, his team players are like in the zone. They are like taking a chopper. Oh, one of his team players running near us. Be careful.
I know.
Oh, he's in front of us. I got eyes on him. They all are near the waterfall. Be careful.
We can take him.
No, but I'm saying don't take the waterfall. I think they might have trolled somebody. The whole squad is over here. Gotcha, boy. Oh, I should have taken the harpoon gun.
Shake him.
Yeah, bro, 1 minute. But first, let us see if they are built. Yeah, I knew it. These are his teammates.
What a good skin, man.
It is like the worst skin in the whole history of Fortnite. Okay, they're shooting.
This dude has.
Oh, I have aimbot. But still I missed. Did they build?
I can't
Nah.
find them. They're up there.
There's one over there. One at the bridge. Bro, I killed him. Oh, his loot will fall. Go down.
Imagine it was a troll and all of us died.
That will be very bad. Oh, I have a blue AR. I just need mats. Oh, let's go. Quick. We'll take the stream first of all.
Wait. Okay.
Anybody has medkits?
No, I don't have any.
Is there a SMG or something green? Let me carry the minis. Yeah. Do you need to go?
Attack my desk.
Yeah, let's go. We have like 2 minutes. We'll take the chopper. Wait first, see if there's a chopper or no. Yeah, it is there. It is there. Attack, attack, attack. No, first follow me. First follow me. We'll check the vault. We'll check the vault. Bro, I said first check up the vault. Vault is not open. Vault is not open. Midas is there. Midas is there. Midas is there. But where is he? Midas! Where are you? Oh! W2SDD took him.
Let's run. Let's run to the wall.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Vault, 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 vault. Vault, 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 vault. I'm grabbing the minigun.
Oh shit.
Shit! Bro, where did he go? Oh shit! I went into the wrong place. I have the key card. Oh, I'm grabbing his minigun. Where the hell is that guy? Let's go fast.
Guys, we won't make it out in time.
Take medkits. Take medkits. Let's run, 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 run. Run, everybody. Is the minigun guy still there?
Come on,
Thank you.
guys.
Shit!
Where's the chopper?
It's out.
I'm with WHDD.
Somebody take me, take me. Wait, wait. I'm coming. I'm in. Let's go. Somebody has like medkit or something. Come over here, Holly. Oh, somewhere there's a upgrade machine. Go for somewhere where there's a upgrade machine. Go over here. No, bro, over there. The chopper is over there, yeah. We are in the zone first of all. I need to upgrade. Where are you going? Never rush. We be good people. What the hell? Bro, go into the place where I have marked. Go into the place where I have marked.
Shashank, we won't make it. The storm is gonna hit them.
Bro, I'm just saying to take him.
Shoot fire into the chopper.
Shit, bro, they're killing us. Where are they, but?
Away from the chopper and run to the zone. We'll deal with them later.
Let's go to the blue mark. I just need metal.
The chopper's gonna blow.
Oh, Adric changed his username or something. Yeah, he changed his username. Kraken Adric.
Yeah.
He's inviting me. I told him that we are going to make videos. Bro, you're going to make a video today? The random boss wala.
Now since he's come, I'll make a different video. I'll make a video on bios or sniper one sort of proper.
Proper will not be a nice idea. Medkits, who's carrying medkits?
I had one. I don't have any.
Good that we are in the zone. W2SGD, I have a big pot for you. Oh, campfire, Kabir, campfire. Everybody campfire.
I'm full health. I'm full health. Big pot for anyone.
I have, I'm full. He needs. Dux.
Doctor is full.
Oh, Dux, I give him a big pot. I'll carry it. I'll get it.
I leveled up in the battle pass. Let's go.
You're 88 now.
Yeah.
What's there? We could have taken the chopper from here. Let's go for the chopper area. I forgot where it is, so leave it. Kabhi, let's go into the gas station. We loot over there. Kabhi, let's go over there. See, there's an XP coin for ya. You'll get free XPs.
Oh.
Is somebody gliding behind me? Ah shit, I'm dead. He has like a best weapon in the whole history. Cool. Shoot, I'm with 45 HP. Oh, I'm 188. He had nothing. I'm dead.
One more guy.
Who the freaking hell have a drum gun, I see. Shake him down, bro. Shake him down. What did you have, man?
I'll take the heavy.
Anybody has like big pots or medkits? I'm low.
No.
Did that guy have medkits?
Oh shit, someone's firing at me.
Of course he'll be from behind you. See in front of you. Oh shit! From where?
You should be the person. I don't know.
Somebody is firing at me. Even I don't have big pots. Please don't fire. He's like spamming me now. Oh, he stopped. Advik is invite spamming me.
Yeah.
Please, I want a medkit in the final zone. How many people are left? 7. Oh shit! Found him!
Oh shit, I found him. Oh shit, man.
Oh, crack. He's white. He does not have any health. He's in the bush. Should I give it a rush?
I knocked him. He's very low.
He already was.
I just knocked about 70 health out of him.
Oh shit, there are more people.
From where, man?
Behind me! Shit! Bro, there are two people over here. Be careful.
I was killing him only 50 health, man. A gold is walking door. Oh, we tried.
W2SGD went down. Okay, he's also down. I think they do not have nice loot only. They were killing us with a shotgun. Okay, Okay, Kabir, you also died?
Yeah.
Ready? Wait. Return to lobby. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of any video. Bye bye.